Ford producer has reportedly admitted that the head gaskets in major RS2 3-liter EcoBoost haven't concern and comes out with a fix. As a thread on Focus RS org titled Failed, Leaking Head Seal Resource Thread claims, the fix will be completed under Customer Satisfaction System 17B32. The report declares that the automaker will replace the head mechanical seals on all damaged vehicles and perform a pressure test as well. In the event that the vehicle doesn't go the pressure test, Ford producer will also replace the car's cylinder head. Most Focus RS models built between August 3, 2015 and July 6, 2017 are included in the fix, which is, of course, free of demand. Ford claims that changing the cylinder head seal, pressure testing the cooling system and inspecting the burning chamber for coolant should take around 2 hours. Replacing the cyndrical tube head lengthens the process to 3 several hours. The way Ford's technicians will figure out if the hatchback's cylinder brain will need to be replaced is by pressure testing the cooling system for approximately 5 several hours. If pressure drops by more than 4 pound-force per square inch, technicians will then use a borescope to see if there's coolant inside the cylinders. When there is, they will replace the cyl-head. The same document says that owners will acquire paperwork on the fix this week. Focus RS owners will want to take their hatchback to a deal as soon as possible, as the automaker will deny coverage on any engine damage that is directly caused from failing to get the issue fixed. It may have taken the unknown oval a while to announce a fix, but at least it has acknowledged the challenge and performed how to rectify it. We provided to Ford producer for a comment, and this is what the automaker had to say. Owners of 2016-17 Target RS vehicles are being offered a totally free inspection and repair, in spite of warranty or mileage status, for concerns of white exhaust smoking and or coolant consumption coming from a problem with canister head gaskets. Ford sellers will test the cooling down system, replace the cyl-head gasket and may replace the cylinder head, as required, complimentary to the customer.